post anything, and then I'll just be disappointed.
No, it's just.
I'll be disappointed
It's
if
not
it gets back to me.
you. It's just hearing what you're saying.
Is it art? Are you doing it as art? Because you might want to make a new folder. I don't know if you're on your computer when you're listening to this.
It's only voice folder.
This isn't a normal monologue, I'm telling you. I should be on the Actors Studio. What have you done? I haven't done a whole lot yet.
You should be on the Actors Studio.
I should be on the Actors Studio. As a guy who hasn't done a whole lot of acting, but he has potential.
You should be in the Lollipop Guild.
You need to be in the fucking Munchkin land and follow me all over here to get over to where I am. I'm in fucking Transmania fucking land, dude. I warp around. I got fucking warp miles. Fuck Delta miles. I got warp miles. I can go to fucking Mario Brotherland. I can go talk to Sonic. I can go talk to the Fawn and get my 4 quarters back for the toll that he used to get to Transmania. Fuck him. Motherfucker. What do you call it, shit? This is fucking Loudoun County, man. We got the worst water in the world.
How did we get there? Like,
I don't know, man. Every time.
Where the fuck did that come from?
No, this is me for talking in circles.
No, seriously, watch Bloopers for reading Will Ferrell thing. I was trying to keep a face going and everything.
What the fuck just happened? Like,
I don't know. I mind fucked everybody. I think. I don't know. It was a mindgasm. I did a darbgasm.
You tried to mind fuck, but
You never answered the question.
It was a
You know the answer to
marasm.
the question?
What's his question? I didn't even remember.
How many for a woman?
They can have multiple.
In what time frame though?
It's all about tantra. If you read the book, then you know. If you don't,
No,
you don't
how
know.
many can they have in 30 minutes?
In 30 minutes? 4?
How about in an hour?
try.
8 or 9. 8 or 9.
Well, that doesn't make sense.
Well, yeah, if you're
Some come quick together and some come far apart.
Alright, so when you say 4 for 30 minutes, you want to say 9. You want to say you're good on the back 9.
Because you want to
be good on the
squirt.
back 9. Believe me, you want to be good. You want to hit it through the windmill.
Do you hear what I said?
Like 30.
No, I didn't. Again, I apologize.
Because you said you wanted to squirt.
I mean, the way we talk to each other, yeah.
No, I didn't get that. Oh my god.
Otherwise, like...
What's going on here?
You heard it.
Whatever it is.
Tom, I'm stuck on this, I can get a virus. That's my way of saying,
You got the squirting virus. It's numbed his brain.
I'm backed up into a corner. It's like, the white walls again. Oh my god, that's all I got here.